Question number 8, consider the following greatest integer function. F of x is equal to 2 times the greatest integer of, we have the greatest integer bracket, 1/4 times open bracket x minus 5, close bracket, close the greatest integer bracket, plus 12. Determine the interval corresponding to the set of all zeros of this function. There's a couple of ways we can do this. We can sketch it. If we sketch it, we know that the vertex is 5, 12. 5, 12. There's my vertex. The length of the step is 1/4, and it's positive. It's going to open this way. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the distance between the steps is 2. From that vertex, I'm going to go down 2 and repeat the process. So we have go down 2, go down 2, go down 2, go down 2. And we can see this is where it's crossing the x-axis. This is where the function is 0. The interval corresponding to the set of zeros is from negative 19, including the negative 19, all the way up to negative 15, not including the negative 15. We could also do this algebraically. Let's make this equal to 0. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides, divide both sides by 2. That gives me negative 6. I'm taking the greatest integer of something, and it's giving me negative 6. The only things that I can take the greatest integer of to get negative 6 would be negative 6, negative 5.9, negative 5.8, anything between negative 6 and negative 5, not including negative 5, is going to fall back down onto negative 6. So we're talking about this, everything falls back onto negative 6. The 1/4 x minus 5 is, at the very least, negative 6. At the very most, it is not quite negative 5. All of this falls down to there. What's inside the absolute value has to be greater than or equal to negative 6 and has to be less than negative 5. What was inside the absolute value bracket is less than negative 5. I'm going to solve these two inequalities. I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. That gives me negative 24 is less than or equal to x minus 5. Add 5 to both sides. That gives me negative 19. X is greater than or equal to negative 19. Then over here, cross multiply the 4. That gives me negative 20 is greater than x minus 5. Add 5 to both sides. That gives me negative 15 is greater than x, or x is less than negative 15. If we look at that on a number line, we're going from negative 15, everything less than negative 15, until you get to negative 19, and it's greater than or equal to negative 19. So we're talking about this interval, which is this answer. You can do it algebraically, or you can do it graphically. Either way, you get x is a member of, including negative 19 all the way up to negative 15, not including the negative 15. And that is it for question number 8. Have a good day.